I am a rural generalist in outback Queensland. My specialty is Indigenous health, and I was wanting to find a course that would give me a few more skills in emergency medicine. It's been a great 2 days, a really good mix of practical skills from the basics to a bit more of a deeper dive. I feel much more comfortable to go back into my remote clinics and deal with the emergency that might walk in. You can push a button, but no one else is coming. not in the near future. I loved being thrown in the deep end today. We did a lot of sims together and there was a fair bit of pressure, and just trying to work your way from a group of strangers to a tight unit very quickly. And just a reminder, in a lot of the workplaces we're in, you might not know the people that you're going to be dealing with an emergency with. So it was just great to practice and hear a lot of other people's ideas. I don't think the learning ever ends in medicine, and in remote medicine, you don't know what's going to walk in the door. So I think that's just a reminder that it's brilliant to touch base with people from all over Australia and get back to basics every now and then.